Good morning, children. Hope you all are having great time doing lots of activities. Before we begin our lesson for today, can you tell me which is the number which we learned last time? Yes, you are right. We learned about the number 3, where we learned to identify the numeral 3, demonstrate the number value of 3, and also we learned to write the numeral 3. Now, can you tell me what is the number that comes after 3? Yes, you are right. It is the number 4. And this is how the number 4 looks like. So today, I am going to introduce you to the number 4, where we will identify the objects that are 4 in number and also describe the differences between them. So let's get started. Now children, I have lot of objects lying on my table. You will have to identify the objects that are 4 in number. Come on, join with me. Let's find out the objects that are 4 in number. Okay, let's identify the objects which are 4 in number. Let us count the bowls. Is it 4? 1, 2, 3. No, this is not 4 in number. Let us count the cups here. Is it 4? 1, 2. No, this is also not 4. Yes, I found out. It is the sketch pens. Let's count if they are 4 in number. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Good job, children. I have 4 sketch pens. The sketch pens are 4 in number. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is how 4 looks like. Now, what is the next step we have to do? We have to identify and describe the differences between these sketch pens. So let's get started. Now first, let us take these 2 sketch pens and identify 2 differences between these 2 sketch pens. This first difference, this sketch pen is brown and white in color and this sketch pen is yellow in color. What is the second difference now? This sketch pen's cap is small and this sketch pen cap, which is yellow in color, is big. Now, do you remember how many differences did we identify between these 2 objects? Yes, you are right. We identified 2 differences. Now tell me, which is the number 2 in this? Can you identify which is the number 2 in this? Yes, you are right. This is the number 2. This is how the number 2 looks like. If this is number 2, then what is this number? This is the number 4. This is how the number 4 looks like. Now let's move on to the next 2 sketch pens and let us identify at least 3 differences between these 2 sketch pens. Now let us identify the first difference. This sketch pen is white and green in color. This sketch pen is red and white in color. What is the second difference? This sketch pen is thin and this sketch pen is thick. And what is the third difference? This sketch pen is short and this sketch pen is long. Good job, children. You remember how many differences did we identify between these 2 objects? Yes, you are right. We identified 3 differences. Now tell me, which is the number 3 in this? Can you identify which is the number 3? Yes, you are right. This is the number 3. And this is how the number 3 looks like. If this is number 3, then what is this number? Yes, you are right. This is the number 1. Now children, it's your turn to do the activity. You may use your family photograph and identify and describe any 4 members of your family in terms of their size, hair, eye color, what they do and their hobbies, etc. You may also challenge yourself by picking up 4 objects available at home and identifying the differences between the objects. Now, what are you waiting for? Come on, let's go and do the activity. But always remember, do not forget to follow the steps to success. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.